going on, guys? So I got a little side job I'm doing, and for those of y'all that don't know how to do brakes, I'm just gonna show y'all a procedure and how to do it. Basically, brakes are really easy to do, to be honest with you, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you what's going on. It's 08 Dodge Ram, I believe. This is my buddy Darius. So we're gonna do brakes front and rear. Now I'm just probably gonna show y'all the procedure on one side. So yeah, y'all join in.
What the fuck?
That's what a G stands for in Guatemala.
G
stands for gangster.
A G, yeah. I don't know what kind of G you be talking to.
No, that's what I've been hearing lately. Yeah, that man's a G, Guatemala.
That's J, bro.
How's that a J?
Well, it's like saying that man's a B.
Then you black.
Or a beaner.
Y'all some racist, some racist shit. I swear to God. You have never heard of those? Hey, what's up,
Bro, I ain't got a racist bone in my body.
Well,
Donald Trump.
Quote, and I quote.
Hey, that's his car that has his, it says fuck Trump on his little wing.
Oh, that's Felipe's.
But yeah, Felipe.
Oh, that's Felipe?
Felipe's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Felipe gangster.
what's his other name? Wasn't that his brother's name?
That made him take it off, though. They can't, though, really.
Nah, it's freedom of speech.
Freedom
right?
of speech. They don't try it in other states.
But
It's
It
not.
don't matter.
if it produces disturbing,
No.
yeah, if it disturbs the public, it does.
The office over here.
What?
Freedom of speech.
I mean, you gotta, yeah, it's freedom of speech, but it makes a disturbance against other people's cars.
Other people's cars, bro.
Yeah, like people driving by, like, it could kind of, that could cause a traffic accident.
And they lost. So that means if they try it here, they're gonna lose here.
Well, I mean, I don't think they'll ever make it to like a court or anything.
They already lost the court. Didn't you even heard them?
I know, but not here, bitch.
In other states, but if they lost in other states, then it's gonna be applied here. They're gonna use that.
I'm just gonna shut up.
You hear this, police officer, man?
I'm not a police officer yet.
You just take
I'm
This
a
wannabe
I'm in
wannabe,
training. I'm in
wannabe.
training.
God damn.
You can't wanna be, bro. That's illegal. Damn, bro.
Come on, fucking zoom in her face.
Por eso drift off.
You consented to the minute you stepped in this house.
I don't consent to shit.
Alright. I stole away. One side, Gucci. Two sides, I need some water. Alright guys, so what we're gonna have to do is every caliper always has two bolts. Have one at the top, one at the bottom. And it's on the caliper bracket. This is the bracket itself, it goes around the caliper. And this is the caliper itself. Bolts right here. On the Dodge Ram, it's a 13 millimeter. We'll take those off. For y'all that don't know, lefty loosey,
Righty tighty.
righty tighty. Go to the left, take it loose. Oh, that's tight as shit. Take it loose. I broke it loose, comes off real easy. Put it to the side. Put it somewhere you'll know where you put it at.
Don't be like Ivan.
Finish taking this off, and we'll move on to the caliper bracket itself.
I gotta spread the pistons a little bit. These calipers, some calipers don't have them. If y'all can see right here, one here, it has these little nipples on the pad. Those nipples actually catch on the piston on the caliper itself. So you have to actually pull the caliper in or push the piston in order to pass those. Alright, so basically, see these nipples? So those nipples actually catch on this and prevent the caliper from sliding out. So you have to push the pistons in enough to where it'll actually clear these, so you can take the caliper out. And always set it if somewhere where it won't roll down. If it rolls down, yeah, you tie it up with the bungee cord or string, whatever, or put it somewhere where you know it's not gonna fall. Right there, it's perfect. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Because if it does fall, you'll stretch the hose out, or rip the internals, and then you're gonna be needing a brake line. And you don't want to do a brake line because it's a long procedure having to bleed the brakes. So now we got the caliper out. We're gonna take the caliper bracket off. So that is these, and it's the same thing. It's 2 more bolts, usually a lot bigger size. In this case, I believe it's a 21 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 21. So we'll take these off. Same procedure, lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're taking them off, so we're going to the left. In this case, we're going up. We just the other side came off easy, but it looked like it had a new wood bearing in it. But usually they're really tight. Alright y'all, so one thing y'all need to do with some brake clean, I ain't got no brake clean, but I got a degreaser, which works just fine. You have to clean both surfaces on both sides. Make sure you get all the grease, because they actually put like an oil film on it, keep it from rusting. So you wipe it all off, make sure you get all that grease off, because then you'll get it on your pad surface and basically ruin them. But besides that, I got it all cleaned up. So basically what I did, I cleaned this off a little bit, I added some grease, pop them back in, and make sure your slide pins are nice and greased. These lock up, causes premature wear on your pads. Keep them greased up. Now I'm gonna clean the pad surface here, here, and here, all 4 corners. So I'm gonna go find me a wire brush, scrub them, put some grease on there, and then I'll be ready to put back on.
You know that tire got the screw there.
Welcome back, guys. So basically what I did, I just wire brushed these. I put some grease. And do not put a lot of grease, man. Literally just a little film.